guys, welcome back to the Dollhouse. Today I'm going to be reviewing some contacts for you guys, some colored contacts. And this company name is ICOICE. I think that's the correct way to pronounce the contacts. And I'm going to be giving you the real true tea on are they worth it. They're very affordable colored contacts. They have different themes. If you want to use them for Halloween, they have that, or you just want to use them for the beautiful colors that they have for cosmetic purpose, you can do that. And if you need a prescription, they also can help you too. So the box came like this. That's how the box looks. That's how the box looks in the inside. So they had this envelope in there. And it's wear instructions envelopes, and you unfold it. Oh, that's cute. And you unfold it and it's telling you, the proper way of putting them on. And then when you flip the envelope over, it's telling you how to remove the contacts. This is real cute. And you just fold it back up. And it's an envelope. This is cute. I am a sucker for a cute package. I love a cute package. Okay, so in the inside you have they sent me over 3 colors. So I have 3 animals. Looks like a cat, a bunny, and what was this one? And a bear. In the inside of that, you have your contact lens cases. They're cute. So this is the top, this is the head. And you unscrew it. And that's where your first contact can go, like your left contact. And then you put the solution in and put your contact in there. Can you guys see? Let me see. And you put your solution in, and they have the 2 bunny ears on there. And then you flip it over, and then you unscrew this part. And you put so you can put your left at the top and your right at the bottom. So you have to make sure you screw it good, because I'm thinking like when you put that solution in there, you have to make sure it's screwed tight. This is neat. This is cute. The only thing I would suggest though to them, well, you can do it yourself. Just make sure if you have a prescription, you do your left eye. You will have to mark it, like put your left and your right eye. If you have a prescription and your eyes are different, you would have to mark that as a left and a right. That's the only thing I would say about this. But this is cute. Okay, so then they have this case. So in that packet, it comes with this, and basically you put your contact on top of this, and then you put it in your eye. And then these are your tweezers. Look, it's shaped like a tweezer, and you remove them out with this. I never tried this. I said I was going to try it one day, but I hadn't tried it yet. I always, like I said, just remove it with my finger. Their packaging is absolutely precious, okay? And like I said, they sent me over 3 colors. So this is the first box they sent over. And then it has the name. And then this is the second box, and it has the name. Then I have the third box, and it has the name. But you guys don't worry about it. I'm gonna, of course, I'm gonna put the name of the contacts. I will be placing the name of the contacts. This is very cute packaging, so I'm going to tell you how they feel. So now we're going to try the contacts on, and I will be letting you guys know my last and final thoughts. If you guys like any colors, please feel free to use my code, and you can get 15% off, and I will be leaving my code also, so feel free to use it. I have this color. I have one in. I think these are a pretty color. What you guys think? So I have the one in. This is my normal regular eye color. This, yeah, these look more natural. I love these. I'm loving these. These are cute. These are a brown color. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna put the name up, but these are precious. You're not absolutely doing too much at all. Gorgeous. It's my regular eye without contacts, and this is the one with the contacts on there. Okay, I have the light on. This is how it looks. This is the last one I have. This is the third one. So you guys tell me which one y'all like the best. Which color? So I have the light on, and I'm gonna cut the light off so you can see with the light off. I'm gonna let you see. Let me see. Lord, my makeup is messed all up. Let me see. This with the light off. Well, with my ring light off, anyway. This is with my ring light off. This is a pretty color also. I think this color is cute. But I think I like this second pair the best. But this color is cute too. You guys, let me know which one you like. 1, 2, or 3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go check their website out. And don't forget to use my discount code. Until next time.